Okay.
A little rough.
All right, we were inside the Goodwill for, I guess,
A couple hours, right?
couple hours, yeah. A little under 2 hours. We spent $68 on 15 items.
I feel so good, but I know you won't understand. I feel so good, but I know you won't understand. I feel so good,
We'll look forward to that. So thank you, Anthony.
but I know you won't understand. I feel so good, but I know you won't understand. Yeah, I know you don't understand.
Yeah, I gotta look through some things, of course, but yeah, these, I don't know. We've never sold swim trunks. I want to look them over.
Yeah, this was new with tags, and
Oh, but what brand
it
is
sells
it?
for Aeropostale. It sells for like 30.
What do you think about things like this? It's made in the USA. And it's really cool.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Does it hit the margins? I mean, I think it's fun. But would it...
Is it like a dress or is it a shirt? What is it considered?
I think it might be maybe a hybrid. I got a really bad look on that answer.
Doesn't help me. So this is good. No, it's fine.
Oh.
But certain like polyester materials snag so easily.
Okay.
I'm just saying, I know I have to be careful because sometimes when my nails are dry.
Yeah.
Ooh, what's that?
Yeah, we're gonna grab that. It's vintage.
Oh my god, that's
Yeah,
beautiful.
it's Hong Kong. Yeah. Yeah, amazing jean shirt. That is a good one.
Yeah.
There's no doubt about that one. Oh, did another one come out or no? Nope.
Whoa. This is not the same.
Yeah.
I was looking
Oh
at-
no. Oh no. Well, if we don't get that, that's fine. We just found a very cool
Yeah.
other thing. Another LLB made in China. I think I'm gonna skip that. This I wasn't sure. Sleepy Hollow Horseman.
That's kind of cool.
I thought it was kind of cool.
Let me look at
I mean,
that.
$6. And then I found this LL Bean air conditions.
Ooh. I've never seen that before.
Made in USA.
Really? Oh,
Yeah.
mm-hmm.
And then this looked in very good condition.
Yeah, that's good. All right.
Oh, and then this.
What's that?
It's vintage.
Is it?
Lady fashion. Looks like it's never been worn.
Wow.
cool, right?
Yeah, that is cool.
It's short, it's summery.
Yeah.
I think it'll sell.
Uh-huh.
Hey.
Oh, that's right. I'm looking for a
True. Look at these. Did you see these? I think they have a story. They have horses on them. You see the horse?
Where did they just come out? Let me see those. Wait, can I pull?
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
What are they made?
I think they're so cool. I feel like they have a story, and I want to get to the bottom of it.
All right.
It might be a story where we leave them behind, which I'm fine with, but
Let me see if I can find it. Did you try looking it up?
no. $2.99.
Here's your answer. Hold on. There's a ton of them out there.
Yep. Nope.
And there's 0. So they're so
How
cute.
about that?
Where's the cart?
Oh
Look, is that the badge?
my God.
Yeah.
It looks.
It looks great. The tag's worn, but so.
Oh
the
yeah!
shirt probably-
Wow! It just looks like it's like in such amazing condition.
Yeah.
That is gorgeous.
That goes with the shirt, right? Where's the cart? Did you lose the cart again?
No. It's just over there. I just came over here as I found this.
Ooh.
Brooklyn Industries.
Oh, wow, awesome.
It's nice, right?
Yeah.
$6. I'm gonna look it over. That's an incredible find. Complete it. I'm glad that they stay together. We spent $68 on 15 items. We did put a number of things back. We looked up comps. I think we did all right.
Think so?
We got some bread and butter items, like the LL Bean and a couple LL Bean pieces.
Yeah, we found a cool vintage set, a top and a skirt. And
that is ridiculous. I
Yeah.
love that thing. How much was it?
I think he rang it in as $11.98.
Okay,
I think so, because it was 2 pieces. That's what it would be as separate.
Now, what do you imagine listing it for?
I have no idea. I mean, I'm not sure if it's a really great buy, but it's a cool.
Yeah, the
It's a
fact
cool
that it's
piece and-
together as a set
Yeah,
and in
it's
perfect
special.
condition. I mean, I'd probably list it for $60.
Sounds good.
All right. Well, that's a wrap. We are going to end the video here. Thanks for coming along.
Thanks.
We'll see you next time.